Shipbuilding pipe workshop small diameter pipe automated production line,
including cutting, fit-up, and welding stations as well as longitudinal and transverse logistics systems. After raw material feeding, the line enables automatic material feeding, automatic marking, and automatic fixed-length cutting. Automated logistics system delivering materials to buffer racks located in front of each fit-up station. This process can achieve fully unmanned operation. Through transverse logistics, low-labor mechanized fit-up and mechanized welding are achieved. For pipe sections requiring beveling and grinding, an integrated automatic beveling and grinding station is configured.